That's right, y'all. We are here at a concrete pour once again, St. Thomas Waterfront or Talus Concrete. We're here. We're going to be pouring at a historical event, and this is Vendors Plaza at Waterfront on St. Thomas. If you're ever here, we're waiting for the cement trucks. They'll be here shortly, and we're going to get this pour underway, and you're going to be watching it with us together. Right on. We're very excited to have you with us today. Or Talus Concrete, the poor people's choice. We're here today working with Department of Public Works. This is a fine example how public entities work with government agencies together for one common cause, and that's to make this island a beautiful place. All right, y'all, the trucks are here. We're about to pour. We're here at Vendors Plaza, historical St. Thomas Waterfront. The trucks are here, or Talus Concrete, the poor people's choice. So before we pour any concrete, there has to be some kind of preparation done before that. And it's usually done with the water hose, as you can see right now. The guys are getting it ready for the concrete to come out the truck. Let's take a look. Some good concrete getting poured. There is so much going on, so much that's involved in this pour. So many hands that come into play into one simple thing. Just look at that concrete, man. It's gonna be hard, it's gonna last forever, and it will be a foundation or Talus Concrete. So now that the concrete is poured, we have 3,000 PSI poured in these foundations. Now we're gonna do some rotting. Check this out, man. This is a technique. Let's take a look. So this is what it looks like after a rubber float is applied. Or Talus Concrete, the poor people's choice. You know, I've learned a lot today, seeing it all happen from beginning to end. I hope you did too. Subscribe.
If this information is valuable to you and your company, click the like button and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified for new videos once uploaded. Thank you.